Why, hello. For this video, we are going to be looking at order of operations. Now, order of operations is something when you have a lot of operations together, like a string, and what order you do them in. You don't always go from left to right. So there's a little saying that helps you remember. It's PEMDAS. You can see it here on the left. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now, you do those things in the order you see them there, okay? Um, so if you see something in parentheses, you do that before you do anything else. If you see something in multiplication, you do it before addition, no matter where it is in the equation. And you'll notice M and D are in blue. If you see them both, you just do whatever comes first because they're like tied in importance. They're like brother and sister. And same with addition and subtraction. If they're in the same equation, it's just whoever comes first. Okay? So let's look at a few to start to make sense of this. So let's say I said 4 plus 3 minus 2. Now, I have to do 3 minus 2 first. Why? Because it's in parentheses. Okay? So I would do 3 minus 2 equals 1. Then I could do 4 plus 1 equals 5. All right, so because there was parentheses, it was telling me to do what was in the parentheses first. Let's try another one. 8 times 4 plus 1. Okay, now you might want to do multiplication first because multiplication becomes before addition. But again, there's parentheses. So we have to do parentheses first. All right, so we'll do 4 plus 1 first, which is 5. Then we can do 8 times 5, and we get 40. Okay, let's keep looking at different ones. Here, let's do 6 plus 2 times 3. All right, so this time there are no parentheses, okay? There's no parentheses, no exponents. But there is multiplication, and there's addition. So which one comes first? Multiplication comes first. So you do 2 times 3 is 6. Then you can bring down this 6 and add it. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. I'm just going to do a bunch of these because it takes a while to figure it out. So okay. So on this one, there's no parentheses, no exponents, no multiplication, but there is division, there's no addition, and there is subtraction. So first we have to do the division. Okay. So we do 4 divided by 2. That equals 2. So we've done that now. Then we can bring this down and do 8 minus 2 equals 6. Okay? Let's do a couple more. Sorry. Change that. Okay. So on this one, there's no parentheses, no exponents. There's multiplication, there's division, there's no addition, there's no subtraction. Now, this is weird. This is like a trick. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. I meant for the problem to be 10 divided by 2 times 3. Okay. So we have multiplication and we have division. Now, even though multiplication's first in PEMDAS, multiplication and division, they're like siblings. So it's whoever gets there first goes first. Okay? So in this case, we actually do 10 divided by 2 is 5. Done with that, then we times 3, and we get 15. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, we added a few parts to our equation now. So we have 4 plus parentheses, 5 minus 1 in parentheses, times 2. So what do we have here? We have parentheses, no exponents. We have multiplication, no division. We have addition, and we have subtraction. Okay, so we have 4 things. Well, the first thing we do is the parentheses. So we can do 5 minus 1 is 4. All right, so we've done that. We can get rid of it. So now our new equation is 4 plus 4 times 2. And then, so we've done parentheses. Now we can move on to multiplication. So we can do 4 times 2 is 8. So we've done that. And we bring the rest down. So now we're at 4 plus 8. Sorry, and the subtraction was in the PEMDAT, in the parentheses. So we can get rid of that. And then we're at 4 plus 8, and we get 12. Okay. All right, last problem. 6 times parentheses 4 plus 2 minus 10. So we have parentheses, no exponents, there is multiplication, no division, the addition's in the parentheses, and we have subtraction. So first is parentheses, which is 4 plus 2, that equals 6. So we can get rid of that and then bring everything else down. So we get 6 times 6 minus 10. All right, then moving on, we have done parentheses, so now we do the multiplication. We're going to do 6 times 6 is 36. We cross that off because we've done it, and then we bring down the last part, which is minus 10. Done the multiplication, 36 minus 10 equals 26. Okay, I hope this helps. As you do the worksheets, it'll kind of take a while to get used to it, but you will get used to it. Good luck.